So, is Windows 11 worth it? Well, the minimum system requirements for Windows 11 are 4 gigs of RAM, a 64-bit CPU, and TPM 2.0. TPM is a component that either exists physically as a chip or inside your CPU. Weird enough, it only exists on your computers. So, good luck installing Windows 11 on your potato PC. Anyways, if you manage to install Windows 11 on your PC, you'll immediately notice that the UI of Windows 11 looks the best. Like the new metro apps and flyouts, every single aspect of Windows 11 is rounded and has a glass-like UI. But the round corners on Windows are such a hazard when trying to resize them. And if that's not enough for you, the October update has added a lot of cool features like live captions, voice control, and even taps on File Explorer. But of course, there's a catch. Windows 11 doesn't perform as well recording productivity and games. In conclusion, it's a very mild difference if you aren't running a potato. So that means you have to decide what operating system to use depending upon your usage and your desired features, not just the performance. So if you want the latest and greatest features, go for Windows 11. But if your PC can't handle Windows 11, just stick with Windows 10. But if you chose to upgrade to Windows 11 and don't like some aspects of it, click here to learn how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.